Whether you are a teacher, student, entrepreneur, every day we deal with lot of documents. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Doc features which are going to make you a smart editor and you're going to save a lot of time. So let us start the journey of becoming a smart editor. To do that, you just have to have a Gmail account. Open your Gmail account. Click on Google Apps and choose Docs. By clicking the plus button on the right down corner, you can create a new document or you can also choose a template. So the first feature is the voice typing feature. Go to the tools, click on voice typing. Welcome to Google Docs. Don't forget to do proofreading. The next feature is the insert image feature. You can insert the image from your computer or you can search your image over the net. The next feature is the drawing feature. You can create a drawing here itself. The next feature is the auto save feature. The documents whichever you are creating in Google Docs are saved automatically in the cloud because this is a cloud-based tool. So you can open the document anywhere on any device, whether offline or online. The next beautiful feature is that you can share this document with your colleagues. You can share this document with anyone through the email ID or through a link. You can just copy this link and send the link to anyone. The next feature is the comment feature. When you have shared this document with your colleagues can write the comments here with the add comment. The other person can reply and then resolve your comment. The next feature is the version history. It's a very beautiful feature. When you are sharing the document with your colleagues and they also make any changes which you want to revert it back, then you can go to the file and see the version history. I can name the current version and save it. Again, I can go back to file, click on version history. So here you can see all the version histories. If you just click on this and expand button, you can see the time when it was updated and you can go back to that. If I click on the restore, it will be restored back. So it is the beginning of my document when I just started. Now again I want to go open my final document. So again I'll go to final, version history. Okay, I can just click on this final. I want to restore this version. So isn't it an amazing feature? The next explore feature is my favorite because I can explore the whole internet inside my document. Just click on this button, explore, and you can explore the internet. So you can collect any information from the internet. If you want images, you can just, or if you want, you can also select a file from the drive. The next feature is the hyperlink feature. You can select any word and make it as a hyperlink. First copy the link from Explore, go to Insert, click on link and paste the link over here. Apply. So now you can say this has been your hyperlink. When you click on it, it's going to open your website. You can download this file in different formats in Microsoft Word or PDF or even in web page document. You can send it as an email as an attachment. When you click on email, just you type in the email ID of that person and you can attach this file as an attachment and send it. If you want this document to be published on the internet, then either you can create a link or you can embed it into your social media site. When you click on publish, the link will be created which you can share it. If you want to embed this file into your website, then you will get the link. Just you have to copy and paste. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and please let me know which is your favorite feature in the comment box. Thank you.